Okay, it's Time Trial Tuesday again. So we're going to go into Time Attack and see where we're at this time. So in the Mazda MX-5, we're on week 3, Alton Park International with the 2 chicanes. So that's where we need to go. You can see Okayama last week, we're now 8th. And Summit Point the first week, we're now 9th. So dropped down a little bit. We were top on that one at one point. Anyway, Okayama, Alton Park, sorry. So what do we need to do here? A 151.5. So getting into the 51s, that's what we need to do. Okay, let's see how we get on. Okay, here we are then. So let's get going. We're starting quite a long way around the track. So 151. If we can get to the 151s, I'll be really pleased. I think 151.560 is the fastest. So we'll see if we can get anywhere near that.
Green.
Let's just get into our rhythm a little bit. Been around here a little bit recently. It's a track I'm okay at. Not the best, but I'm okay. Okay, so we're already losing at the first corner. That doesn't bode well, does it? Right, should we start again? Off we go then. Right, so let's need to get the tyres warm. I've been in Formula V. I was up late last night racing in a league in Formula V. Had a really good result. You'll see that on Wednesday. So yeah, really pleased with that. I won't spoil it, but yeah, it was good. Better than I have done. Anyway, let's focus here. So we're coming around here a bit slower than the fastest guy, I guess. He's quick around there, isn't he? That's a bit better. A bit better. Okay, our tyres aren't warm yet, so I can accept that I'm a little bit down. Yeah, they're just not there yet. I should have been on the power a lot earlier, but couldn't be. Okay, he's really getting away, isn't he? Yeah. And then this bit should be flat out, but tyres are not ready. And the question will be, is this going to be first or second around there? I'm not sure. And this is where the time is, for me anyway. This chicane. And as you can see, I didn't get that right.
Slow down. You got a penalty for cutting.
Okay, let's get off the grass. So that's going to be key for the lap time. That's chicane. The rest of it is relatively straightforward, I think. Let's get the tyres warm anyway. Not too worried about off tracks. And there's a bit of time to be made on this fast right-hander as well. It's how much you slow down. To be flat, if you can be. Right then. So we've had a lap of warming up. Hopefully. Hey. Bit late, I think, there. So we're going to be a bit slow across the line, I guess. So we're starting with one hand turned behind our back. Yeah, we're already slow, look. Okay. Bit slower. Let's see if we can get at least within a second. They're still not, I don't think the tyres are ready yet. Or I just got the line wrong, I'm not sure. We'll have another go. So is that first or second? That's the question. I think that should be second. I think we overslowed a bit there. Let's at least get a lap in if we can. Too much curb. Gosh. We're a little bit ragged, aren't we, at the moment? Probably overdriving. Let's just dial it back a bit. Should be a bit better across the line this time. Was that an off track, was it? A little bit better. I'm not sure this will be valid, will it? I'm thinking second. I could be wrong. Too much. That is definitely an off track. Okay, so we're not getting that corner right, are we? Just have to try something different. Well, that was all over the place. Oh, she's really getting away. Of holding on to the gear is better or worse. I mean, we're a bit closer, aren't we? I don't know if that was better or worse. We did it at the rev limiter. So I'm going a bit quicker now. Okay, well, we lost about 0.2 through there, didn't we? Okay. Let's reset, get my head straight. I can see where I'm getting the time. I can see where we're losing it. Let's do a lap. We'll see how it starts. If it doesn't start well, then we'll fast forward to me actually having some worn tyres. But let's see how we get on. Okay, still with him. Even with cold tyres. Popped a little bit there. Put my fan on, I think. Yeah, you can see the tyres aren't ready, can't you? Blimey. Okay. I'm going to reset, do a lap, get my tyres warm, and then we'll rejoin. Okay, so I've done a lap. Let's see if it's any better. I don't think I've done a valid lap yet. There's nothing showing up on my timing, is there? Abnormal lap. Have we gone off again, have we? Or was that the one before? That was the one before. So we're not too far back now. It's just the rest of the lap. How are we going to do the rest of the lap? Yeah, I think second is better. How do we get through here? Yeah, I should have stuck in second, shouldn't I? But I wanted to get through. I'd like to do a lap. Right, I'm going to stop, go and get a drink, reset my head and come back. Okay, I've reset, I've had a drink, let her wander about. We've done one lap to warm up the tyres. So, let's see. I'm really struggling here. We've already done 10 laps. And I'm nowhere near, absolutely nowhere near. I had the same problem here in the Formula V, didn't I? I seem to remember. I struggled a bit. So it's how close can I get? It's going to be this lap or the next lap, I think. I don't think I'm going to do any more after that. When I get into the 151s. Well, actually closed up a little bit there. I guess the important thing here is getting on the power on the way out rather than on the way in. I'll see you once I've warmed up again. Okay, we're warmed up. This has got to be it. And I'm already starting slowly. Look at that. Ugh. So this lap or the next one is going to be when the tyres are at their best, I think.
53.198.
Actually done a lap, look. Not a good lap, but I've actually done one, so at least I'll have a time on the board. Oh dear, this is a real struggle, this is. Don't know why I'm struggling so much. Not too far away this time. If I can hold it together, this will be a better lap, hopefully. Nice and early on the power. Lost a bit coming out of there. And I can't seem to get this chicane right down here either. I'm not sure if I'm going in the wrong gear or what. Yeah, I mean, I lost a chunk of time there. So I don't think I'm doing that right. Lost a bit of time there as well. Not even going to be within a second, are we? Okay, well, it's a better lap, but still not very good.
52.694.
Yeah, we're losing a bit around there. And a bit round there. I don't see where we're going to catch it up, do you? So that's a bit better, wasn't it? Maybe that's the way to do it. Going in second, come out in first. I think I'm going to stop. I think I'm going to stop there. Not even within a second, but that's a real struggle. I'm just not doing it right today. So let's stop and see what that's put us. Okay then, Alton Park. So, I mean, we are 4th. So, Grisegles maybe is just really, really fast compared to everyone else because we're 4th. So I'm surprised at that. Really struggled to go any quicker than that. Yeah, I mean, Alton Park, I love. Where are we? Alton Park International. I love. It's a great track. Really enjoy it in real life and in the sim, but clearly I'm struggling with those 2 chicanes. But yeah, that's it. I haven't got any more. I'm not getting any better. I'm just going to get worse, I think. So, as ever, if I went back tomorrow, I'd probably go a bit quicker, but I think I'm on my limit. So we'll leave it there. Well, see what you can do. See if you can get into the 51s, because there's no way I could. But anyway, it's good fun. Give it a go. We got the shorter Alton Park next week, so that'll be interesting. That's the little one, so no chicanes, so it might be a bit more competitive there. But for now, yeah, 4th, but I don't think that's going to last. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.